This video will show you how to replace a cabin air filter on a Subaru Outback. This will be located behind your glove box. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the cabin air filter, we're going to make our way behind the glove box. We'll open it and remove anything from inside. Go ahead and set that aside for now. Now, as you look along the outer side of the glove box itself, you're going to find that you have a small shock. Now, this shock is really just supposed to help lower the glove box slowly. As far as the shock itself, it has a lower mounting point. We're just going to go ahead and pull this out of place. Now, this shock should be attached inside of the glove box. Mine has been dislodged. It typically should not slide out of place. It's just going to hang out in this area. Now, along either side of the glove box, we want to pay attention to these walls, the side walls. If you were looking along the outside of the sidewalls, you're going to find that they have tabs that protrude out and they grab onto the plastic portion of the glove box area, the mounting point. It's the same on either side. As far as that's concerned, just go ahead and take hold of that wall, gently pull it inward. As you're pulling it in, gently start pulling this down. It's going to hold that tab. Repeat the process on the other side and we can lower this down. Let's have a look behind here next. Now in this area, this is where our cabin air filter is going to be housed. We have a trap door. It has 4 locking tabs. For these locking tabs, you just want to squeeze them and gently start pulling this out of place. So I'm squeezing the tabs together, lightly tugging. You can see it starting to move rearward. A thorough inspection of that cover, confirming it's not damaged in any way. This looks fine. There's our cabin air filter. Let's start removing this. A quick note about removing the cabin air filter. If it has miscellaneous debris along the top, it might fall inside of the blower motor. And if that's the case, you want to make sure you use a vacuum cleaner and clean that out as well as possible. As far as the cabin air filter, just go ahead and take hold of it and slide it out of place. There it is, friend. A quick inspection in this area. And let's prepare to install our cabin air filter. Now, looking at this cabin air filter, if you were looking along the sides, one of the sides will have an arrow. We want to have that arrow facing up. Start sliding this into position. That should slide in fairly easily and we can continue on with our cover. Now, as far as the cover is concerned, you can see that we do have an arrow, once again, facing up. Let's get this in position here. Line it up, press it up against the box. We're pressing that in until we hear an audible click from all 4 corners. A quick wiggle to confirm it's properly secured. Now, after confirming that this is secured in place, let's take the glove box and carefully start bringing it into the upright position. As we're doing so, we're paying attention along each side of the glove box. That's going to latch in against the sides of the dash. Once it's up far enough, we'll continue on with our outer shock area here. We'll just make sure we're holding that shock up and out of our way. We'll pivot this. I can tell that both of those ears are doing their job. Let's get the shock in place. Press it on, listen for an audible click, and a light tug. Reinstall anything that you removed from the glove box. Close the glove box. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of the blower motor, confirming you don't hear any odd noises coming from this area. If you do, debris fell from inside that cabin air filter down into the blower motor and it has to be cleaned out. Assuming it works as it should, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.